Clay, what makes a blog successful?
The most important thing for any blog is consistency, and the most successful blogs are the ones that are consistent with the content that they post and the frequency with which they post their content. So I think that, again, the biggest key to success of any blog is just being consistent.
How often should someone post to a blog?
I think a law firm should post as frequently as they feel comfortable with posting. As long as they have something relevant to say, that's what's important. So if they don't have something relevant to say once a week, they shouldn't post once a week. They should instead post maybe once every other week or once a month. They just need to pick a schedule and stick with it and post something that's relevant every time.
Who in a law firm should blog?
The person that should be blogging within the law firm is somebody that really knows the intricacies of the legal world, which I think is the lawyer. But most lawyers get very intimidated when they hear that. But really, blogging doesn't take a whole lot of time. If you were to block out half an hour a week just to sit down and write a blog, you could get lots of content written in that half an hour. These don't need to be essays. They just need to be short posts about something that's going on in your community. And if the lawyer doesn't have time, maybe you can have a paralegal talk about the same issues too and have the lawyer brief them on them and then have them write the blog as well.
What are some successful blogs for a lawyer to check out?
I think that one very, very good blog is the Stark and Stark blog. I always reference them. But it's mainly because they have so many different varieties of blogs with lots of relevant content. They have lots of people involved within the firm writing these blogs. They actually generate cases from these blogs, and in some instances, these blogs actually have higher traffic than their main website. So I think that that's a good standard to hold your law blog to.
If you could give one tip on blogging, what would it be?
I think that the best tip I can give a lawyer when they want to start blogging is just to start doing it. I think that a lot of lawyers discuss the blog, they talk about wanting to create a blog, but they don't actually sit down and do the work. I think it's one of those things that once you get started, the momentum carries forward very, very easily, and it's very easy to continue that momentum once you get started, but getting started is the hard part. So my one tip is just to sit down, write your first blog, post it, and then just go from there.